The Tecno Spark 10 Pro was officially announced on March the 6th, 2023, and is expected to release on the 23rd of March. By the time this video is out, it should already be available to purchase. The phone has picked up a lot of hype recently and is being compared to the iPhone 14 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy S23. In this video, we will be exploring the phone's features to help you decide whether or not it is the phone for you. Design. Let's talk about the Tecno Spark 10 Pro's design, and boy, is it a looker. This phone comes in a sleek and stylish body that will make your friends green with envy. The back panel has a trendy geometric pattern that adds a touch of uniqueness to the device. I mean, who needs a boring phone when you can have one that looks like a work of art, am I right? The 6.8-inch IPS LCD display is perfect for streaming all your favorite content, and the 720x1640 pixel resolution provides sharp and vivid visuals. You'll be so captivated by the screen that you'll forget about everything else going on around you. However, we are not responsible for any accidents that may occur because you're too absorbed in your phone. The phone will weigh 208 grams, which isn't anything out of the ordinary. The phone, however, is not going to be waterproof, so don't take it into the shower with you. It has a fingerprint sensor conveniently located at the back for easy access, making it a breeze to unlock your phone with just one hand. And let's not forget about the cameras. The quad camera setup on the back will have you feeling like a professional photographer, and the 16MP front-facing camera is perfect for capturing all your selfie moments. But we will talk a lot more about the camera in a few minutes. Hardware. Now let's get into the technical aspects of the phone and what it offers mechanically. The Tecno Spark 10 Pro is a beast of a phone packed with some seriously impressive hardware. It's got an octa-core CPU and a Mali G52 GPU with 8GB of RAM, so you can forget about any lag or slow performance. You'll be zipping through apps and multitasking like a pro. With the Mali G52 GPU, you can play all your favorite games on the Spark 10 Pro while enjoying high-quality graphics and transitions. The phone comes in two standard storage sizes, 128 and 256 GB. It runs on the Android 13 operating system, which is Android's latest OS. In terms of connectivity, the phone uses a USB Type-C charging port and also includes an AUX headphone jack. Unfortunately, it doesn't offer any form of wireless charging. This is an area where the phone potentially cannot compete with other phones such as the iPhone 14 Pro. The 5000 mAh battery is another highlight of this phone's hardware. It's a powerhouse that will keep you going all day long. And when I say all day long, I mean it. You could probably run a marathon while using this phone and the battery still wouldn't die. The Tecno Spark 10 Pro's hardware is top-notch. It's powerful, reliable, and just downright impressive. If you want a phone that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, this could be the one for you. Camera. Let's talk about the Tecno Spark 10 Pro's camera. The quad camera arrangement on the rear is stunning. This phone can capture some truly gorgeous photographs thanks to its 64-megapixel primary camera, 2-megapixel depth sensor, macro camera, and AI lens. The main camera captures every detail of your subject with such clarity that you'll be able to see the pores on a mosquito's nose. The depth sensor helps to create that dreamy effect that will make your photos look like they were taken by a professional photographer. And the macro camera. Well, let's just say it's perfect for those up-close shots of insects or flowers. You know, for when you're feeling artsy. But it's the AI lens that sets this phone apart from others. It automatically adjusts the camera settings to ensure that your photos are always perfectly lit and in focus. And let's not forget about the 16MP front-facing camera. It's perfect for taking selfies, and with all the filters and effects available, you'll be able to take your selfie game to the next level. The Tecno Spark 10 Pro's camera is top tier. It's ideal for recording every aspect of life, from the commonplace to miraculous. Whether you're a professional photographer or simply enjoy shooting pictures, this phone is well worth considering. Price. In terms of price, the Tecno Spark 10 is very reasonable. It will be priced at $129 US. If you compare that to its competitors, then it's quite staggering. The phone is due to be released on the 23rd of March 2023 and will be widely available in most countries, as Tecno want to make their products available to all. Anyway, that's all from us today, guys, on the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. If you enjoyed the video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this.